the 24 Artist Past palette. This is Saweetie's collab with Morphe, and I'm obsessed with the shades in this palette. As you guys can see, it is like beautiful for people that like to experiment with shades, and it was super affordable as well. So I'm gonna start with my base makeup, and I'll be back on the camera after I finish my foundation, concealer, and all that stuff. Alright, I'm done with my base makeup. Let's get into the video. So I'm starting off with the Morphe brow pencil. This brow pencil is honestly my ride or die. I use this to create thin brows because I shaved off my eyebrows. I wasn't really a fan of my big brows, I guess. I don't have big brows. I just prefer a really nice, clean, thin, sharp eyebrow look. So that's what I'm creating here. Alright, now I'm going with the ColourPop concealer. This is the brand new one. It's the hyaluronic concealer. So I'm putting this on my eyelid to have a base for my eyeshadow. You have to blend this out so it could be all nice and seamless. Blend, 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 blend. After I blend this out, I'm grabbing the Soft Glam Anastasia palette. This is so I can go in with this shade that is just the same as my concealer to set in the concealer, you know. The same way that we set our under eye concealer, you have to set your eyeshadow concealer. I mean, it is totally optional, but I think my eyeshadow blends on nicer when I do that. Now I'm going in with the Anastasia brush with the purple shade from the Saweetie palette. I'm going in my crease. I'm forming like a cut crease kind of look. I'm just following my crease in a cat eye shape. Just adding more color to create a darker look, to create a dimension on your eye. Now I'm blending that out because you want to soften up the edges. Softening up the edges creates more of a depth and dimension look on your eye, as opposed to just leaving it without being blended. Now I'm going in with the blue shade on the 24 Artist Past palette. This is just going under the purple shade, following the same exact curve as the purple one. I'm not going over it, I'm just going directly under it. It's just going to be like two colors merging together and blending together. Honestly, you guys, I think this look is really simple. Not simple as in it's neutral, but simple as in it's really easy to recreate, I think. And if you guys do end up recreating this, I would love to see some pictures and tag me on Instagram and TikTok. I love seeing you guys recreating the looks. So now I'm going in with this shimmer shade on the same palette, and I'm putting that on where I don't have any shadow, on the empty part of my lid. This shimmer was freaking beautiful, you guys. I got a little bit carried away and I put maybe too much, but I just wanted it to pop on camera the same way it pops in person, but it sadly didn't do that same effect, but it was still beautiful in person and in camera too. On camera, my bad, you guys. Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys a look. Alright, going in with eyeliner now. This is the Haus Labs eyeliner. It is a felt tip. I have a review of the Haus Labs eyeliner on my channel as well. This eyeliner is amazing. It creates a beautiful wing liner very effortlessly. I was just being very careful because I really did not want to mess up my eyeshadow. There's a lot of different ways of creating wing liner. Mine, to be honest, they always differ. It all depends on the eye look that I'm doing. So my eyeliner shape is not always the same. I just go with what the eyeshadow looks like. Follow the shape. Alright, now the fun part. This is the star glitter. Honestly, this was so freaking cute and fun. The whole reason why I bought this palette was because of the star glitter. I'm just popping that in the inner corner of my eye. It was a little tricky because the stars kind of stuck to my finger, but I ended up fixing it. And then I show you guys a close-up of me fixing the little stars. There we go. That's better. Alright, I'm gonna do the other eye off camera.
Hey guys, so I'm done with the voiceover for now. So now I'm just gonna put on my eyelashes and then highlight and do the finishing touches. Oh, and lipstick as well. So let's get into that. Okay, these lashes are from Salon Perfect, number 614. Oh, I just got lash glue on my eyeshadow. That is so aggravating. So I'm gonna wipe away my setting powder. Oh, I just realized my setting powder I put on top of like my little stars. So I think I'm gonna put new stars. I'm gonna wipe off the setting powder under my contour as well. Okay guys, now it is time to highlight one of my favorite parts when doing my makeup. I'm going to be using the ColourPop Super Shock Highlight in the shade Flexitarian. This highlight is really pretty. I've been loving this shade lately. I like to apply my highlight with this little brush from BH Cosmetics. I just go in. And a little goes a long way. So like be careful because you could get carried away with this. And it has happened to me where I end up getting carried away with this highlight just because it's so pretty. Like how can you not? Now for the lips, I'm going to use this Vivid Hot Lacquer Lip Lacquer in the shade Royal. This is by Maybelline. This is a purple gloss. Now we're going to do the under eye shadow. I'm going to go with the same purple I used on my lid. I'm just going to bring it close to my under eye. Just like that. I'm not bringing it far. Just right under my eye. Okay, now I'm going to go on mascara. This is the Kush Mascara by Milk. This mascara is amazing. is setting your makeup with Morphe setting spray or setting spray of your choice. Dry. And that is the final look, you guys. So, my thoughts on the 24 Artist Pass palette that I created this look with. I think this palette is so beautiful. The shades in it are amazing. I will never get tired of saying that. The glitters are super fun. You could create like endless looks with all these glitters, even the shimmers in the middle, and those little stars, that star glitter is honestly really unique. I've never seen a palette with that before, so that is what caught my eye. The shades were super nice to blend. Everything was just really pretty, and all the colors in the palette go together. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I had a lot of fun doing this look. I think this is one of my favorite looks so far to date. I don't know, I kind of say that about all my looks, but not really. But I'm very proud of this look and the eye look that I put together. Everything looks super nice. I feel like I could just go to like a disco now and just be like, you know the vibes. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll have all of that linked down below. Bye.